Hi everyone, this is Rochelle. I am back. I wanted to show you how to make a mug out of paper that is shaped like an octagon. How cute is this? You can use this for gifts to a coworker, to a family member, to anyone actually. You use like little cellophane bags to put in, and you load it with treats, or you can put coffee pouches, hot chocolate pouches, cocoa pouches. And I was recording actually, and all of a sudden it didn't record properly. So I am recording again. So I'm just gonna, because I made this one. And I have, if you guys watched my video yesterday, I have plenty of designer paper left from what I made for the handbag. I still have 12 by 4 7/8. 12 inches by 4 7/8 left of designer paper. So I will be using this to put on the mug. Let's go ahead and get this thing on the road. Okay, on the landscape mode, we want to score at every 1 inches. So 1 inch, 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6, 7, and 8 inches. So your piece of cardstock can either be 8.5 inches or 8 1/4. It doesn't matter. 8.5 inches or 8 1/4. And on the portrait side, it's going to be okay, let me start this again. I don't remember. I don't know where my brain went today, but I don't remember if I told you the size of the paper, the cardstock we're using. It's 8 1/4 or 8.5 by 4. So on the portrait side, on the 4-inch side, you are going to score at 1 1.5. And that's the scoring. That's all the scoring we need. Now, I'm putting this away. The only part we are going to remove completely is the small tab. So I'm just going to remove that completely away. And I'm just going to wedge in like that. Okay. From here, we're going to just fold and burnish on all score lines. This is a very easy project to do. Easy, fun, and the things that you can fill in these cups are limitless. I really do enjoy paper crafting. I got into it a long time ago. A friend got me into it, and I think it was about 11 years ago, but I always did some crafting. It's just that I really got into it, and then I disappeared I stopped paper crafting for many years. I stopped, and I'm at it again, and I said to myself, well, you know what? Start making videos. Just make videos of this stuff. So here I'm just going to glue the 1/2-inch tab that I have left. To be quite honest, I prefer just the 1/4 inch that is left. So if you do have, if you're in the UK, your A4 is not 8.5, it is 8 1/4. So that will work perfectly. Here in North America, our paper, the A4 papers, are 8.5 by 11. Okay, so when you fold it, it just goes perfectly. This is our seam right here, and I forgot to cut the score lines before gluing it. See, my brain is not functioning properly. That's okay. We're going to improvise. We don't need to. It is scored at the same spot, so less cutting. we're just going to go ahead, even though I glued it, we're going to cut on straight on the score lines. We're going to stop at the score line. This one here. And this one here. We're going to have to cut this one. I'll just fold that up. And we have one left to cut. So yeah, do the cutting before gluing the tab. I got ahead of myself. Okay. The gluing part here, quite simple and easy. I'm just going to push these all away. To make the perfect octagon shape, glue them like so, opposite. That. So you glue that one opposite, and go to the opposite side, glue those two together, and then continue on doing as so. Okay? I'll just go off camera and glue it all. Now when your bottom is all glued up, glued up, go ahead and just kind of push it with your glue, or your Tombow glue, or any flat bottle. Oh my goodness, I'm overtired, or I haven't slept enough, or I don't know. But that is it. I'm gonna go with the other one I made here. Let's get this one out again. If you want to make a handle like this, you will need a punch. So you will need to punch, basically, I'll just show quickly here how that's done. If you're using a circle, an oval, whichever, you're going to need to cut your smallest shape first. And then you're going to go ahead and cut your largest shape on top of it. Like so. Oh, it's glue. There we go. And that makes the handle. You'll need two, of course. You glue them together and you'll separate, you'll fold like so. And where the seam is on here I only have a 1/4 inch seam. So just glue it on one side of the seam like that, and on the other side of the seam. And I had another one, I don't know where it went. Huh? Where did I put it? I punched another one out. I don't know. But anyway, so you will glue 2 pieces. So it goes like that. Or you can just go with a 1/2 inch tab by 3.5 or 3 1/4. And there it is. Like this one. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one to make it different from this one. So it's just, this one is exactly 1/2 inch by 3 1/4. So I'm just going to remove the glue and add that to the mug. So I'm going to put it right beside where this seam is. Just about here. And then on the bottom. Just about there. And look at that. We have ourselves a cute mug. Now, if you want to put designer paper, put your designer paper before gluing it all in one, because it's easier because it's flat and you can put your designer paper on. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you liked it, and I hope I see you on my next video. And please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye for now.